Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make multiple folders at once in Windows 10 and 11. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So if we go to File Explorer and if we create a folder in this music section, and we will going to create a multiple folder over here. So what we are going to do, we will going to click on your right mouse button, go for new and go for text documents over here. After that, if you just click on it 2 times, it will open your notepad over here. So now what you need to do, you just need to give @ type echo space off, and now if you just click enter 2 times and now write nd speech clone speech mark type test and close the speech mark space and click other time space speech mark and type test2, close the speech mark. And if you want to create the subfolder, then click on slash, click other time and write sub and then close the speech mark. And now what you need to do, you just need to click on a file and click on save as. And if you just type it, name it as a run and click on run.bat, you'll get this kind of interface over here. So now if you click on it 2 times, you can see your 2 or your multiple folder is created. So this is how you can create multiple folder for your Windows 10 and 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.